I've gotten asked this question a few times of what to bring if you are going on a retreat or if you're going somewhere for the weekend, and thought that I would pack with you guys. So let's get started. Hey y'all, welcome to the Crafty Diamond. I am Debbie. Today I am getting all of my supplies and everything ready to go to the Great Lakes Retreat, and I will be leaving very, very early on Wednesday morning, the 26th. So I wanted to go ahead and start getting everything together. I hope that I'm not forgetting anything. If I am, or if you have any suggestions, please put them underneath the comments, and I will definitely look at that and see what I am missing, because I'm always forgetting something, or maybe I'm taking too much. So anyway, this is going to be the diamond painting that I'm going to do. It is 49 colors. It is called Bubble Girl, and it is licensed from Yaroslava Guskova, and this is from Bella Art de Nicole, or Bella Art Diamonds, and it is a 55 by 55 centimeter. So for me, this is a really good size. It's a lot of color blocking, so I should not have any problems. I don't think I'll get it finished. I don't have any expectations of getting any of it done. If I do, great. If I don't, that's fine too. I may end up taking a Paint Gem Mini with me, so I'll have a variety. So let me know in the comments if you think I should take a Paint Gem as well. I'm trying to watch what I'm taking because I am bringing back a diamond painting from Bella Art that I purchased, and Nicole's going to bring it to me. I'm also getting a few other things. One item that I'm definitely getting is some special drills to bling this up. I've ordered those from Tmall, DP with Sparklers, and she's also bringing those to the retreat. I ordered 2 pins from Leopard Leatherworks, so I'll be having those as well, and then ordered a few cover minders. So I'm already ordering, and I'll probably buy some more things while I'm there, but I want to make sure I have enough room to bring everything back. And then also we have our swag bag, and that was huge last year. And then I have Secret Santa gifts that's already packed in my suitcase, and then I'll bring mine back. So I have to really watch what I'm bringing. But anyway, I thought this would be a really, really cute, bright, very summery kit because it has all the bubbles up here. So I thought it would be really pretty. I am going to bling some of those up. Want to bling her hair up some. And then her dress here, that's definitely summer. That could even be a bathing suit. I'm thinking it's a bathing suit because she has an octopus there. I'm assuming that she's at the beach, like this is, an ocean behind her. And I'm just really looking forward to doing this one. But I'm going to be putting this in the box. I do want to keep it in the box because I don't have any drills on here. I can roll it however I want to. I typically roll it inwards when I do put it in the box. When I come home, though, I want to have the diamonds out, so I'll roll it the other way. So let's take a look at what else I am taking. I am already ready for my kit up. I've already done it. This is what it's going to look like finished. I just love this one. Had it for a little while. I said I've already kitted up. I'm going to be taking it in this one. I just thought the bottles would be safer on a plane. I didn't mention that. I am flying. I have to fly into Michigan, and then there are 3 of us. We are renting a car, and we are going to be driving to Ohio to the retreat. So I will need to make sure that everything does fit in my luggage okay, so it'll be easier when I am coming back home as well. So I have all of these kitted up, and I had some extras here that would not fit in my bottles. I've just put them up here. They're labeled. I pulled out these bubbles, and for squares, it's called Flamingo. I may or may not use this one. I don't remember how many that I've ordered at this point from Tmall, but hopefully I ordered ones that will work. And also, if I need any more, that she will have some extras there. Because she had a pretty large table last year. So that's my drills. Hopefully they will be nice and safe on the plane. I don't know why my video arm is shaking because I'm not even touching it. But there's the canvas, there's the drills. So let me move this out of the way. I will be putting this in here just so I have it for reference. I also like to do that anyway so I know what is in a case. So I'm gonna zip this back up. And I'm also going to be taking a light pad. Let me get all of this together. Taking a light pad. I'm taking a very small light pad. And this was for my Secret Santa from last year. So thank you so much, April. So here it's a very small light pad, but it is perfect for traveling. I also have the cord. Want to make sure I had the cord. Would hate to get there and have no way to plug it in. And then I do have this cover from Bella Art Dana Cole because I'm always knocking the on and off button. So let me go ahead and zip this back up. And I am bringing an extension cord just in case. We do have a strip for the table, so I'll just need my cord in case I'm sitting a little bit further back. Now for the fun goodies. And this is where I want you to make sure I have everything that I need. Just doesn't seem like much. Okay, I'm taking 2 of these clips so I can clip my canvas onto my light pad. I'm taking some dryer sheets just in case they're already cut, in case by some chance that my drills become very staticky on the plane. I have my glue dots for my single placer. I have my Bella Art tray that comes with the kit. I did order some trays. These are essential trays. She has some larger than this, so I did order one of those. I have Joy's Putty and Cucumber. It smells really good. I wanted summer vibes. And I am waiting on an order from Patsy Putty. If her putty comes in, I will take that as well. I have my cutter here, my little blade, so I can cut into my plastic. I have a pen that I'm taking from Art and Soul, and I may not be using this one, just depends. I didn't want to not take a pen, and then I didn't see my other pens in time, so I want to have a pen just in case. I think this is it's either a 6 or a 9 placer. I think it's a 6 placer that's on the end. Taking scissors, because, you never know when you need scissors. I'm also going to take some tweezers. Didn't mention, but my canvas is square. And I have a couple rolls of washi. I'm going to put this one, I think I'm going to put this one around my diamond painting because it's pink with flowers. I should have plenty there. And then this one, it looks like the ocean. Thought that'd be really pretty to use to divide my rows up, or I may do it the opposite way. So let me know what you guys think. And then I am taking a straightener, which is really dirty. Let's do the other side. I don't know. This is like there's some kind of like putty or something is on the other side of my placer or my straightener. I'm going to use this to straighten my drills if I need to. I'm taking a cover minder. I thought was very appropriate. This is from Cover Minders by Saban. It is a gorgeous fish and it's pink, which would match the canvas. And then I have my box for my canvas. So let me know what you guys think. I don't want to take that much, but if I am missing something, let me know what I'm missing. Thought about taking additional trays, but decided no, I need to take as less as possible. But here, just to recap, and of course my canvas, can't forget that one. I'll put all of this out here just to recap. It seems like I'm missing something, and it seems like I'm missing something really important. I don't know what it could possibly be, but hey, it could be anything. When I went to an event for work, I took a small canvas. I brought everything that I needed and more, except I didn't bring a tray, and that was a pain in the you-know-what. But I think I have everything here, and then I'm taking this cute bag. This bag I've had for a long time. I used this when I was doing some journals, some junk journals, and this is a Diane Reevely bag, which she is with Ranger. I love her things. It's very quirky. But I think that I am good to go. I may take these glitter ones here, Glitter 600. I can use those as well for my canvas. And I just looked, I did purchase 6 additional special drills. It also comes with, I believe, 9. So I'm going to have quite a bit of bling on there, which is what I want. I want this one to be really, really blingy and a really nice representation of summer. So that's all I have for you today, guys. I hope that you have a wonderful day. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so by hitting that subscribe button. You may also want to hit the notification bell so you're notified of future uploads. And until next time, happy diamond painting. Bye.